So this is the shuffle wallet, made of titanium on the left and aluminium on the right, with optional accessories shown here, such as the AirTag holder with an Apple AirTag to trap your wallet, the money band that holds one additional card, and the NFC silicone pouch that holds two additional cards, in addition to the innovative deck of cards opening mechanism which can hold up to 6 cards. This is the shuffle wallet. It has an innovative deck of cards opening mechanism, holds up to 6 cards. It has got RFID blocking. It comes in 6 beautiful colors made of durable materials such as aluminium, which we have on the left, as well as titanium, the one on the right. It also has got a suite of accessories shown here, namely the NFC silicone pouch, the AirTag holder, and the money band. We're going to show you each of these accessories and how to use it with the shuffle wallet. The shuffle wallet is able to hold up to 6 cards, which we have placed in the wallet. Now, we'll show you the RFID blocking feature for this wallet. So this is our transport card, and you can see that we are now able to scan the transport card for its balance. Now, if you were to put it in the shuffle wallet, which has got RFID blocking, you will see that now your transport card is not able to be scanned. Hence, the shuffle wallet protects your credit card information from scammers. Besides that, it has also got a money clip. Let's take a look at the other accessories. With the NFC silicone pouch, you can paste it onto the shuffle wallet, and that will allow you to add 2 more cards for use. The shuffle wallet also has got an AirTag holder as an accessory, so you can add it on, and together with the Apple AirTag, your wallet will never be lost. To use the AirTag holder, simply insert it into the money clip as shown. There. And you can add the Apple AirTag to it. And now your wallet will be trackable. The shuffle wallet also comes with a money band as an accessory. To use the money band, which can hold 1 additional card, we need to remove the money clip from the shuffle wallet. Use a T9 torque speed to remove the screw. Once the money clip is removed, you need to remove this adhesive and paste it on the shuffle wallet. Check out the shuffle wallet.